If you want to make your Shopify store instantly more eye-catching and fun, adding gifts is one of the easiest ways to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process for 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to place gifts anywhere on your site in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Giphy. This is where you'll find thousands of free gifts to use. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Think about what you want to add to your store. Maybe something related to your products, a fun accent animation, or a GIF that matches your brand's vibe. Type in your keywords, browse the results, and pick the GIF you like. Once you click on a GIF, look for the embed option right below it. Select it, and a small window will pop up containing a piece of embed code. All you need to do is copy that code. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. Now, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Online Store, then click Customize to open your theme editor. This is where we'll place the GIF on your site. Inside the editor, look for the Add Section button and choose Rich Text. This section allows you to insert different types of media, including GIF embeds. After the section appears, click on it to open the settings. In the text area, simply paste the embed code you copied from Giphy. Immediately, you should see the GIF appear in the preview on the right, showing you exactly how it will look on your live website. Once you're happy with how it looks, make sure to hit Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your GIF is now added to your Shopify store and ready to make your page more dynamic and engaging for every visitor who lands on it. I hope this guide helped you add that extra bit of flair to your Shopify site. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching and happy selling.